Mama akwaba wafrɛ me adwowa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo Afia Schwar ena okase. Na ne se ma okin na ne se esese Ghana for you make sure say e be keep NDC ewo opposition. Is omo na opposition na till se ombenya sebi openia obetimi abedi party nanim na odin hyehye pa begu akwem na aboa Ghana for ansana Ghana for ya adwense yeto aba no e de ama NDC ama yoku no. But with His Excellency the former president Oman Penidada Mahama lead the party in Kwande as I say man party no etna opposition because Oman Penidada Mahama any at the pepe biadema or my Ghana na nti Afia Schwar kasa aya na mepe ene say Afia aye NDC neda wa campaign ya Mama Pendada Mahamada ofi party ni mu neba so when she is talking onimne oka so when Afia talks about NDC and any election ntini so onimne oka mpa because obi obefi NDC party ni bebia no na chese na adwene mu aye clear nti Afia Schwar say yembo modern yenso a eye NPP aban so na Dr. Baumia embeto anya mapa His Excellency na Akromfo aye ne so na Mama Pendada Mahamade NDC for the kai yen for month opposition yenti nsema Afia Schwar e de etuja
mamonto obia me pa macho de nim ne say Baumia is taking over from Nanado until NDC gets a candidate. For now they don't have. You people can organize what. Ghana for Nankasano. Yaka. Ghana for Nankasano. John Kasam was short memory. Nanka NDC should be the last party. NDC should be the last party to make noise about Galamsey. NDC should be the last party to talk about Galamsey. When they are the people that issued all the Galamsey licenses in Ghana. NDC gave over 1,400 small-scale mining to their people. Dollar never do 80 cities. Dollar never do 20 cities. Anyway, and someone I'm going to more $100. Then you see America dollar and cost and conform. And it's someone I'm more $100. I bet 20. What is my evidence? My dear, don't be an idiot. You can walk to the Ghana Minerals Commission and find out the number of small-scale licenses. And then I don't need evidence. As an American, a public document. In 2 weeks, I can also NDC former 1,470 something small-scale miners license. Now, compared to NPP, NDC the 4 years. Any MPP. May I show you am to say do my ham on so I show pa. Anything I am to aba man on. Ma show me to say do my ham pe. Ono so ya show papa. Ono kwane sitting president e ma ko ne honte yo. May I show you am to say mo flag bearer no. What is say nkrofo okun Baumia ho. What is say ye bo atwede na ma bi ku Baumia ho. What's ya? Don't tell for party. May I show you have to sell flag bearer? May to sell flag bearer? May I show you? May to sell flag bearer? Many no many no so you want me catch on it. At least some of them buy, you know. They buy the member the army above me one trade. To me, I show you. But the South flag bearer, Johnson, you know. So I'm here. Till I'm seeing Fagana man on empty Fagana. Emma will be a or Baga say, or May, and the other boy got mine. I never done for other tire calls, so there be heavy. Empty me your side, no. Ghana, we need a serious leader, a serious candidate. They said Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. You hear serious candidate. That's a simple one. I wouldn't hear my baba to Naquem. The American, what I say. No one bear the right thing. What I say. And the candidate, yeah, Baba woman, economic briefing, no. Yeah, Baba, economic briefing, no. Now I'm lucky. It's not possible. If we don't need an alcoholic, we have enough problems. If Ghana needs alcoholic, I'm sure you people will do with me. We don't need an alcoholic. Maybe we are saying we need somebody with a sound mind. And your booty, now make a candidate, you better have an ever carry, Now I lock it. Now I lock it. When you move your mom ready to see Nigeria. How much did they pay you? They gave my children quality education, something your mother couldn't give you. Yo. They gave my children quality education and then asked me, what did NDC give me? 8 years of fighting for them. Nothing. They gave my children quality education. Quality education. NDC for Omo check out mama no say dey me loud and so dey na me pa but NDC for so dey omo use them they didn't care whether I was because that time no na your friend me go Mahama girl NDC for when you I am say me Mahama girl the kasama Mahama ntino ye ma me mani nko school ni bi me mani ko bi pepepe Oma uncle school phone so Omukokuma say hi. What would you do if NPP lose? Nothing. What did you do when NDC lost? What did you do? Did you kill yourself? What did I do when NDC lost in 2016? Nothing. Nothing. Guess what? My children has also enjoyed the free SHS. And you know, me, this campaign I am doing for Agyimifuo. Me Agyimifuo there. We wouldn't need a free education again. You will leave Ghana if Mahama wins. Well, I live in America. Do I have to tell you? I'm a permanent resident of the United States of America. I live in America, even now. Even now, I'm a permanent resident of United States.